Seamless collaboration. Powered by BPM ITEROP. In the financial world, one thing often slows things down: media breaks and IT silos. Disconnected systems, manual workflows, and unclear responsibilities cost time and nerves. BPM ITEROP by Tolerance Software connects all stakeholders on a single platform. Digital, secure, and seamless. Digital workflows replace paper forms, emails, and double data entry. Once captured, data flows automatically through the entire process, without media changes. From account opening to compliance checks, every step is integrated and audit-proof. Contracts, applications, or approvals are processed digitally. Everyone works from the same record. BPM ITEROP automatically assigns tasks to the right people, with clear deadlines and escalation rules. Responsibilities are always transparent. Nothing gets lost. Nothing is forgotten. External partners like brokers or clients are seamlessly integrated into the process. Everyone sees only what they're authorized to, thanks to role-based access and real-time status. Dashboards and KPIs instantly show bottlenecks and where resources are needed. Regulatory checks like KYC, AML, and GDPR are embedded into the workflow. Low-code technology enables fast changes without major IT projects. Bottom line, with BPM ITEROP, seamless collaboration becomes real efficiency and measurable progress.